I'm going to show you guys the attract mode of After Burner. This is the attract mode of After Burner, Sega 1987. I'm sitting in a full motion cockpit, double cradle type. I'm at the Skylon Tower in Niagara Falls, Ontario, and it is May of 2018 and this game is still working. And it runs pretty well for being over 30 years old. This game does have sound. The sound works perfectly. It's just not on right now in the attract mode. You can probably hear the space harrier in the background, which is right next to it. Sorry about that. Okay, this is After Burner from the cockpit. This is the motion cockpit from 1987, the full motion version, double cradle.